Hey guys, this is the Sticks. How you guys doing? Welcome back to Out and About. Today I'm actually over in Anaheim, California at some place that a lot of my friends have told me to come over here for a long time. And I should have came out here a long time ago because quite frankly, this is one of the coolest places I've ever been into. Today we're at DesignerCon, which is also known as DCon to a lot of people. And what this is, for lack of a better word, is basically an artist alley and arts and crafts show that has people from all over the country, all over the state here, just hanging out here to sell all their goods and products that you may want to see. And from everything I'm seeing so far, they have a lot of great things here. It's just fantastic to look at. But the thing is, it's a 3-day convention. It's just so many things to see and do. And I'm gonna try to show what I can and explain what's going on here. But I have to tell you, everything I've seen so far is terrific. This is like the best art show I've ever seen. And I'm gonna let you guys take a look. We're gonna take a look around and see what it looks like. Come on, let's go take a look. Let's go. That way, let's go. DesignerCon, or DCon as most people call it, is an art and design convention that brings together artists and designers from all over to display and sell their goods. A show that has grown so much over the years that larger venues are needed to accommodate the huge crowds it brings in every year, which is why it was moved to Anaheim in 2018. Originally called Vinyl Toy Network back in 2006, it was created to bring together artists, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers to the vinyl toy collectible figures market. Eventually, it was made into a type of pop culture art show where art vendors from around the country could bring their unique styles of artwork to display and sell, ranging from pop art, urban and underground styles unlike anything you've seen before. And as you guys look around, you're going to find a lot of different things here that you're not used to, from little figures to characters. No comic books, no graphic novels that I've noticed so far. But the great thing about a lot of these things here you see is that everything here is for sale. It could be any little thing, from the smallest to the biggest thing, from a few bucks to a couple hundred. And you know what? You're not going to find anything else like this, especially at Walmart, because Walmart sucks. And quite honestly, you're never really going to see anything like this anywhere. Once you get here, you can't help but wander through every aisle, every corner, every booth to see all that this event has to offer. Even a few movie studios found their way here to promote their upcoming films. Hi, Alice. This is a place that I knew even Alice would get a kick out of. Everywhere she turned, she would find something new and unique that made her happy to see. Take a picture with them.
And she helped herself to a few things too.
I think that might be Skinches.
I don't recognize him, but he's cute though. It's supposed to be loose.
I know, but you're just...
Emily the Strange. Emily the Strange is awesome. See, even we couldn't resist getting hold of a couple things here. I got some art pieces here. I'll try to show everybody later on what they look like. But I mean, there's all kinds of artwork and all kinds of styles and everything you're going to see here that anyone may want to enjoy. Sometimes from the really pretty to the really cute to really grotesque and really disturbing to the most awesome kind of artwork from the past to the future to fantasy. You name it, it's going to be here. And lots of Doctor Who stuff too. So this is something you guys really got to come and see for yourself.
Tickets are sold from simple one-day passes to special VIP passes that include access to special events and late-night parties. And with the type of parties that these type of minds can help create, it definitely wouldn't be boring.
some of the things I want to show you guys, I have to be mindful because some people here, although they love us coming to look at their stuff, they don't really want us to take pictures of their items. You know, they don't want no photos taken. They don't mind us buying them and everything, but I have to show the respect and not show any photographs or videos around some of their booths, and that's not a problem for me. I don't want to make them uncomfortable. I don't want them to get mad at me, and I don't want to get in trouble anyway because I like being here. But I will say that that from everybody else I've met, other people that I'm talking to and meeting all day, one artist to another, I just think everybody here is just doing a fantastic work. Everybody's great to get along with, and you know, you're not going to be disappointed by coming down, even if it's just to look around for a little bit. Of course, like us, you're going to end up spending a few bucks if you want to buy a few things and realize, like, well, I don't want to eat this week, right? No, but seriously, the people who work here, the people who are selling these pieces, are some of the best people I've met so far, and you're not going to be disappointed, even if it's just to come to look around. So I tell everybody, come and take a look at these places. You're never going to find this stuff anywhere else, even at Walmart.
Of all the artists and artwork I have the pleasure to see, nothing makes me more happy than to see the artwork of one of my closest friends.
I got what I needed.
JP Neang, and I hope she forgives me if I mispronounce her name, is an artist, educator, and creative director who's based in the Bay Area. She got her bachelor's in fine arts at USC Sacramento and is the founder and educator of Imaginary Atlas, a global initiative for creative education. And she also happens to be one of the cutest and nuttiest spider girls I've ever met. But I gotta love this girl. I'll probably adopt her too. I met her at an artist alley at another convention many years ago. It was her unique style that I fell in love with. Her artwork and graphite alone is unlike anything I've ever seen before. And I can't help but be one of her biggest fans. So much so that I had to bring one of her pieces home with me. And over the years, I've collected more of her artwork that is now decorating my home. I made it a point to get to know this young woman, and after so many years, I'm happy to say that she's become one of my dearest friends. If you'd like to know more about JP, her artwork, and all that she's accomplished, you'll find a link to her webpage in the descriptions below, or you can find her on Instagram.
Okay, you see that girl behind me? Okay, I'd adopt her if I could. I mean, she's just one of the fabulous people I've ever met and one of the best artists I've ever seen. I have several of her pieces at home, which I always fell in love with, and I always want to try to come back and get more of her stuff. It's just that her stuff is always sold out by the time I get here. I mean, there's no way around it. I can't get it.
You're just collecting things. Look at you.
And that's something to be said when you get to meet these artists, because it's through their artwork that you get to know a little something about them. They put their heart and love into every piece that they create. And that really says something about these bunch of people. When you have the chance to really experience something like this, you not only learn about others around you, but a little about yourself as well. So take it from me, if you decide to come out to this convention next year, you won't be disappointed. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. For more information about this event in 2019, log on to www.designercon.com.
You know, as we stay here well into the evening, we realize now that this place was so massive with so much to offer that we just couldn't see everything all at once. And unfortunately, we were only here for one day. But that's okay. We'll try again next year. We'll see how that goes. And for everything that we saw right now, I can tell you honestly that this is probably one of the coolest places if you want to come to take a look at and check it out. It should be here at Anaheim next year. I don't know where it's going to be, most likely here, because they told me it's big enough for it. But I really think it's something you guys ought to check out, to take a peek. So go take a look. Go look for DCon or Designer Con. When you go a chance and go online, you'll find it. And you know, just check it out for yourself. Think about coming next year. It's worth something to check out. I think it's really like it. A lot of my friends who've already seen this think it's great. So like I tell everybody, you know, come and check it out, see what's going on. And like I tell everybody, I never know where my adventures are going to take me, but hope you guys join me for the ride. See you next time.
Look at this.
Joshua is.
Oh, cool. It's all glass, huh? Cool. See, they even got Star Trek stuff. See, cool. See, oh, Star Trek. They can kiss my butt. The Star Trek's awesome. Whoever doesn't like Star Trek is a communist. I'm serious.
I second that.
Huh?
I said I second
Yeah. See, that man. He knows what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Right.